Hey guys, welcome to Peapod's shop. Hey, I've got a product here I want to show you. Just received from the vendor. They sent this to me, asked me to do a review on it. Here's what we got here. This is a 4-port battery charger, but it will charge Dewalt batteries. This is the DBC104. 4 individual charging ports right here. Okay, so we got multiple batteries that we can charge at one time. It's got a built-in safeguard, including a monitoring chip, cooling fans, protect from overcharging and overheating, short-circuiting your batteries out. And let's see, I got battery here, and there we go. She's locked in, not coming out, not falling off, right there. Hey, on the back here, look here, we got places right here, the screw holes, the cut out keyways, and that'll hang on that. You got a carrying handle, so if you've got your batteries on there, and again I knocked that off of the table. If you got your batteries on there, you can carry them with it wherever you're going to go. It's not going anywhere. Hey, that's a nice product, and I think it's a good economical buy. And if you've got Dewalt batteries, or you got some off-name brand batteries, and you need an off-name brand type of battery charger, this one right here from Cabtree, I think it'll work real well. I know it's going to work well for me. It worked well for me. Hey, I believe it'll work well for you. You can't get a better buy than this right here that I know of. Y'all give it a look. In the meantime, y'all have a blessed day.